Katie, go feed that piggy.
Look at that baby goat.
That's a cool goat, huh? You want to try to feed the little
Okay,
baby?
really?
Where's the cow?
What cow?
There's a baby cow over there. Let's go see the baby cow.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Let's go see the baby cow. See him?
Can I pet him?
Yes, you can pet him.
Those are sheep. Those are sheep. You guys all? Oh, you're stepping on two. Oh,
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh no. That was funny, wasn't it? That's kind of scary. That was funny. Did it kind of scratch you?
Yeah, they scratched my arm. I can't pet it. I hold it in my hand. Those are sheep, Dad. Those sheep.
There's no sheep? No, here's a sheep. Here's a sheep.
The bunny.
Here's a sheep right here. Say hi to the sheep. Say hi to the sheep. Feel his hair.
Oh, that's so fluffy.
Oh, look at the bunny. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that bunny. Oh my goodness, he's so soft. Would you like to have a bunny like that for a pet?
Oh, look at me.
Would you like to have a bunny like that for a pet?
Yeah.
See if he wants the seeds. He's just sitting there. See if he wants it.
Well, the goats are just gonna steal it all.
Oh, get away, get away, get away. I'll block. I'll block. I'll block.
You want some? No.
Oh, no
No
goats.
goat. No goat.
Oh, no goats.
No goat.
No goats.
Bad goat. Bad goat. Stop it.
I got it. Oh,
He's
no.
gonna scratch you.
Oh, no. Those goats are crazy, aren't they?
Oh yeah, the goats are just
What?
eating all of chicken.
Chicken?
Behind you. Oh, way in the corner back over there. It's really tiny.
Oh, let's go see that baby goat.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're done.
There's the goat. Baby goat. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see the donkey. Where's Colt? Did you see the donkey yet?
No. Oh, there?
Yeah.
What are the little goats? See if they'll eat it.
Oh, there's another baby goat, Caitlin. Look at it right there. Feed him.
That pig is so precious. The bottom.
They have a pig too now.
Yeah.
I know Helena.
Did he bite you?
No, it just
Stepped
stepped
on?
on my toe.
Oh, you are way too you're way too aggressive there, goaty goat.
Body spray. It rings the doorbell. Yeah, I should definitely.
The donkey's way too. He's way too.
Oh, that's that aggressive goat. You are too aggressive.
Too strong.
Too strong.
Hey, yeah, babe.
Is this fun or what, Colton? Oh yeah? Look at the baby goat right over here, Colton. Come here. Look at this baby goat. Over here. No, not that goat. This goat. Look at that baby black goat. Go see that baby black goat.
Until we put on.
That works. Chickens. Look at this. Right here. donkey. Look at the donkey.
You like that baby dog?
Look at the big donkey. Right here, buddy.
Oh.